Yes, as you see at here from this schematic diagram, alpha is given to us. So we are finding initially tangential part and start to find with the radial part, and after that we are just searching for the tangential part. As we know that AO radial part is equal to 63.9 meter per second square. With the help of this equation, that V square AO by OA, so 3.4 meter square divided by 0.18. As Russ said, the answer is somewhat differ. If your answer of velocity is differ, based on that you are getting the error should be higher when we talk about the radial part, when we talk about acceleration part. So initially you are taking care when you draw the velocity diagram. Okay, so based on that I am getting 63.9. So I am taking the scale that 10 meter per second square is equal to 1 centimeter, and based on that I just create the length that O dash x. Initially we know that if there is one or two tangential portion, then initially we are considered as x, after that y, after that z, then w. Based on that we are just draw the tangential part here. Here first O dash a, we are here consider that O dash and draw the parallel line from O dash, which may be 6.39 centimeter. I am getting point x. Now from point x I have to draw the perpendicular line from the OA, which is equal to 9 meter per second square. So it may be 0.9 centimeter, or we can consider 9 mm. So this is the line that is perpendicular to OA, and it may be 9 mm. Join O dash with A dash. Every time when we talk about the radial part and tangential part, then both parts should be drawn with the dotted portion, as it may be indicated in this figure as a pink line. Okay, so your radial part and tangential part should be in the dotted portion, but only alpha not given, and only we have to find the radial part, and then when the radial part is your acceleration, then it may be considered as a full line, otherwise it may be considered as a dotted line. So based on that, initially we are drawn as per shown in the figure the dotted line O dash x and x a dash 9 mm. Join O dash a dash with the full line, which is the which is the acceleration of the link OA. So this, after that, now you can see that O dash A dash. Now you can see it here. It's visible very easily at here. From A dash, you can see or you compare every time with this space diagram, so it's easy for you. From A dash हमें क्या करना है, तो AB draw करना है. Okay, we are drawn initially AB. So we talk about AB now. As you see the diagram, we have to draw the radial part of AB that start from the A dash. So it may be parallel to AB. So हमने ये draw किया है, लेकिन ये कितना है, AB it may be 2.25 meter per second square. So it means 2 mm हमें लेना है. Okay, so it may be A dash y is equal to 2 mm, as you can see at here also. A dash y 2 mm. After that we have drawn one line. We just repeat that thing. After we have drawn the line which is perpendicular to the line AB. AB की perpendicular line draw करनी है, which pass from point Y, where A dash y, which is parallel to AB and whose dimension is 2 mm or 2.25 mm. So 2 और 3 के बीच में ही रखना है, but it near to 2. Okay, and it may be A dash y. Now after that y b dash, that is unknown portion for us because alpha is not given to us. So yb dash, which is perpendicular to capital AB or space diagram, which is unknown for us, and we are just drawn with its direction only. We haven't the magnitude, so we are keep it in the same position and we are extend it. We haven't b dash, but if we see the diagram, then from the diagram we know that this BC is also there. So now we talk or we keep we keep focus on this BC line at where C is the fixed portion. As we know that from C we have to start from C, so it is considered as a C dash in the velocity acceleration diagram. As we know that if I am talking about the BC length, then we have to talk about the radial part of BC. As we know that the radial part of BC is 32.5 meter per second square. If your answer of velocity of BC is different, on that time we are getting the different answer for the acceleration also. So based on that, we are finding the radial part of the BC, and as we take the scale of 10 meter per second square is equal to 1 centimeter, so it is considered as a 3 centimeter BC line we are consider of the radial part is BC. Now we talk about the radial part of BC which is parallel to BC. You can see it here, BC that is parallel at here. You can see with the Z line also, which is easily shown at here, O dash Z, which is parallel to BC, and pass from point C dash. Okay, and the length is 3 centimeter or 3.25 centimeter, as my radial part of BC is equal to 32.5 meter per second square. Okay, so based on that, I create O dash Z is equal to 3.25 centimeter. After that, we have to take it in our mind that CB and AB are intersect at point B. So AB का जो टेंजेंशियल पार्ट है and BC का जो टेंजेंशियल पार्ट है, दोनों को एक पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट होगा. So based on that principle, based on that schematic diagram, we are drawing the perpendicular line from BC from point Z. So it may be intersect on the AB line tangential portion at point B dash. So we are getting the point. So join that radial part A dash with the B dash and B dash with the C dash. So this is the acceleration of that link which we are finishing up to this. Now talk about the BD line. As we know that already this is the imaginary line. Yes.
पहले इतना तक कर ले, फिर आगे देखा ड्रॉ करो इतना तक.
Okay. Okay, up to this you just finish. Then we talk about the acceleration of the D. So it's easy for us to find the remaining portion. If there is any error, then you can contact me. You may just raise your voice and start to communicate. So it's easy for all. Start to draw. If anybody have any query regarding the point where it may be and how it may become, then I am with you. So just raise the query and I will solve immediately.